We are currently camped out at truly one of the most beautiful campsites we've ever stayed at. We are directly along a riverbed, and I figured this was a really great opportunity to show you guys how, as nomads, we do our laundry. All right, so this is our Scrubba untouched wash bag. This is a great tool if you are camping or out for a really long time in the woods and you don't have access to a laundromat. And I'll show you how it works. I'm so tired. Okay, so that is a day's worth of laundry, all done. Took me roughly 5 hours. But you know what? It's a beautiful day. The sun is so strong, so I think all of these clothes are going to be dry relatively soon. Thanks for watching.